Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenz. I'm from Hyderabad. Okay, this time in video, I can tell you about my new game. This game is I made in the new application is Billbox. The name is Billbox, and the game his name is Running Ball. The running ball is like this. This is running ball. Like this, there is ball in the platform. Then the enemy or outside, yeah, it's enemy, and then there is to an island, the Thames in the sea, like craft. There is bone, big bone. Then there is diamond in this game. Diamond like coin, like games like this. The score, and I can play the game. Okay, I can play the game. You can click play, then like this. You, you can play, you can click right and left in your phone. And you can play this game. You can download the in Play Store or App Store. You can search Billbox, then you download, and you can play this game. Billbox is many game like jumping you, switching ball, and then running ball like this. In Billbox there is 2D game and 3D game. Then yes, you can collect the diamond. You need a score in this. Okay, but this is simple game, and the coding like this. So yeah, simple. And then this asset is like game craft. Terms is the island. It's so simple. There is friends there, and there is barrel like enemy the barrel, and then friends broken friends, and then iron crate, and then barrel, and then crate, the wooden crate. Okay, but in this video I can tell you before making the enemy. I can give you one tutorial, simple tutorial for making enemy in Billbox like this. Enemy like this, you can auto set tabrak and boom, it's broken. You is dead. Our game over. Okay, I can make enemy. Okay, this one first like this. Then sorry, wait. Okay, like this is so yes, like so like this. Okay, can make enemy. I can make enemy first. You can take like this cone, and then the cone you can coloring. The cone is black. No, yeah, black. This, and after that you can place in the platform like enemy, and you duplicate, and you make one again. Okay, this. Maybe you can make no, sorry. Okay, after you replace the cone or assembly, you can go to player character, go to player, and then you can search if collide, take it, and you can search defeat and debris explosion. Now, to that, and you can take the spear and you can rename debris. It's up to you, can color pink, red, or blue, to you. After that, you can sambungkan the enable to correct it, and then collide to the version. The version you can click on accept, and you can debris. So that the sign, and you don't go to enable. And you can play the game like this. Wait. I'm sorry. I forgot one step. After that, no. Just go to farm. Then you go to farm, you can enemy. The collection group is enemy and the PC is static. Okay, start. You can play the game. Is not this. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot one is. No. After that, you get go to override and then you go to affected asset, in the enemy and the con. Okay, okay, so done. Very like this, simple, very simple. Okay, jadi that's all for me. Thank you for my mistakes, so many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.